Ram Rahim again gets parole. The Election Commission on Monday approved the parole petition of the Dera Sacha Sauda chief, Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh, who's faced, remember, a lot of serious cases as well. Now, during the parole time, Ram Rahim will be prohibited from entering into Haryana and has been barred from participating in any election campaign activities, either in person or even via social media. So he cannot be in any way trying to influence elections. But with the Election Commission's approval in place, Nayab Saini's government is expected to soon also issue an order for his release. Just to give you a background on why this is such a curious case. Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh has been granted 259 days of temporary release since 2020. So, on and off release that he's come, but somehow always in connection with regard to where elections have been. Curiously, majority of the time have been before Haryana elections. But is there an influence that he has on the people in areas like Sirsa, Hisar, Fatehabad and some other districts of Haryana? He does have a large following base. Now, if he cannot directly intervene or influence in elections, can he influence the vote base? I'll take that question to my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu, joining me live for the latest on that. Kamaljeet, no surprise, but yet a surprise that Gurmeet Ram Rahim gets bail. But do you think that in many ways he can influence elections? What is the reason this time he's got parole?
Well, the Deras have always had an influence, and even though the parole condition itself states that he cannot indulge in political activity, they're very well aware of it. But on the sidelines, there is a quiet message which is usually sent across. Now, the government of Haryana has been talking about that rules are followed. Now, in this particular instance, he's already got a furlough of 21 days. This is on August of 13, just about last month. And then there is also a thing about his application being moved just in time, especially that was during Lok Sabha polls, and then another one. The other condition for parole is that it can be broken in two pieces. So 70 days allowed. He's already taken 50. He's applied for 20 more. This is obviously at a very crucial juncture. And now he does seem to have an influence, and that is why we've not seen very vocal political parties come out. But yes, Anshul Chhatrapati, who is the son of the slain journalist, has expressed despair. He's also said that there are too many bails, at least 11 times in the past 2 years, and he obviously seems heartbroken about it. There's obviously a consideration that this could influence the way polls are conducted. So yes, there is a big question mark. But as far as the government of Haryana is concerned, remember, it says there was a case by SGPC also in the court in which the Punjab and Haryana High Court had actually cited that's the competent authority which will decide on the matters of parole and furlough. Thereafter, the condition is that during polls, the CEO, the Chief Electoral Officer, that is, has to be taken into consideration. So the process has gone to the Election Commission. There was a green signal which came back, a further green signal. So what we know is the jail superintendent today will get the letters from the Divisional Commissioner. All decks seem to be cleared. So it's a matter of hours, or if not
just
a day or so, when
Gurmeet
Ram Rahim,
this has been the most fascinating case, and I wonder, and you and I know both fairly well, how many other prisoners, especially in serious cases, whether it's murder, sexual assault and more, have actually been able to get so many paroles specifically ahead of election time.